Hi, this is Julie with the Stitchin Post, and I am here today to tell you a little bit about some great scissors we have. These are the Perfect Scissors by Karen K. Buckley, and we have a variety of different ones for different purposes, but they're great. Each of the scissors come with a really nice sheath to protect yourself. This size is great for cutting small pieces of applique, whether it's wool or fabric. These are able to go through about 6 layers of fabric. They have a serrated blade, so they stay really sharp for a very long time. They're just awesome. This particular set here, this has a curved blade. So rather than the blade being straight like that, it's curved like that. So those are great for trimming threads when you're quilting, whether it's on a long arm or your sit down machine. These are terrific for a little bit smaller pieces because they have a smaller blade and they go through less layers, but they really give you precision because of those serrated edges hang on to the fabric while you're cutting. And then these little guys are really great as thread nips when you're doing embroidery or you're doing other small stitching work. So these are terrific scissors. They stay sharp forever, and we have a different set for different things that you need to be doing. So if you liked this video, please let us know by liking us on YouTube and following us. Thanks so much.